Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Fashion Week 2012. Here we have our very own Usher and Bon Qui.
Usher, this is my fun. Right here. Okay, there you go. Smile, guys.
Come on, we get to good side. Good side right here.
Oh my goodness!
Soon after Fashion Week, Usher and Bon quickly encountered a couple of beggars on the street.
Do you guys have
Money, please.
Come on, man.
Don't work, man. Get out of here, man. Come on.
No money. What dweebs, man?
Either work
1 year later, Usher and Bon quickly were left devastated and empty when they realized that the hole in their heart could not be filled by anything but God, and they realized that God was far from them.
Doing, bro. Come on, give me a free spot. Come on, we got a family to feed, bro. Come on, we ain't getting nothing around. Come on, guys. Hey, this hard. Hey, come on, dude. Come on, just tell us. Hey, girls, come on, man. Come on, guys. What is this?
What?
That's lame.
Whoa, you better back up.
Why is that thing?
Oh, watch out.
Come on, guys.
Come on. Good side. Back up!
Get out of here, man. Come on. This is lame. I want this to delete.
Don't touch. I'm gonna cut you.
I'm gonna cut you.
If my people, who are called by my name, will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sin and will heal their land.
Do you guys need help? Oh, I met you last year.
I'm so sorry, man.
Welcome to the family, honey.
Oh, thank you.
This is all I have, man. You take it all.
Oh,
God bless you, brother.
God bless you.
I love you, man.
Amin, fratello, amin.